Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Style of Mexico. It's a Hania Amir look, looking gorgeous and beautiful. This is also her look, a stylish look uh, with casual dresses and formal dresses. She's looking gorgeous. So I hope you like her and her makeup and her videos. She's awesome girl, awesome actor, and amazing actor. There are so many looks like this. This is within shalwar kameez ideas with gota dresses. All the type of dresses are branded, and she is amazing looking, like with gota dresses, with embroidered dresses, with branded dresses. All the types of dresses are she wear. I hope that you like my today video. If you are newly in my channel, so please I'm requesting you that subscribe my channel. You are watching Style of Mexico. Don't skip the video. Thank you so much.